Hi friends, I would like to greet you and congratulate you because you are the pioneers that are helping ground 5D on planet Earth. So today I really want to talk about why we work with a coach and what is the principle that lies behind uh, the the package that I offer. Work with me for 8 classes a month. Meditations. So I'll explain to you what is the reason you work with a teacher. See, a teacher who has reached inner union or whose energy is in the crown chakra, whose Sushumna is activated, such a teacher has an active third eye. And when you meditate in a group with such a teacher or one on one with such a teacher, your own blockages get cleared. Okay? Your own DNA activates, deep memories come up. Why? This doesn't only happen when you're meditating with the teacher. This even happens if you're living around the teacher, like in 100 meters, 100 to 200 meters of such an enlightened teacher, your stuff will come up. Okay? And it will not only come up, but along with the triggers, you will have a lot of insights. Now, I have worked with many clients, and I have noticed that when I am working with them, as they connect with me, as we work one on one, our higher selves are interacting, and I'm getting messages from the client's higher self when it's necessary. It's not that I can scan the entire mind of my client. No, there is a factor of permission that is involved. So, whatever is necessary for me to know about the client to facilitate the healing process, that is what comes through. That's one thing. Secondly, the client's own energy rises up. There is a resonance. It's simple physics. If you have two objects and one is resonating at a frequency, one fork, tuning fork, and you bring another tuning fork next to it, it will match the resonance. Okay? This is a simple physics class experiment. So if you have a enlightened teacher whose energy is in the Sushumna, in the crown chakra, third eye pulsating, your own Kundalini rises. So guys, when you have a Kundalini rising experience twice a week, what is happening? You are having accelerated clearing, you are having accelerated healing. And basically, this is the idea behind me offering these 8 meditation classes, in a month, where you get to work one on one with me. Nowadays, twin flame teachers and coaches who have really reached this level that I have reached are so busy that they are not even available for the clients. They have several programs which are recorded clips. Then they have employees who are trained, but they are not available. So I'm offering you my own presence and the opportunity to connect with my energy and through resonance raise your Kundalini. I also have clients, excuse me, I also have clients who have told me several times after meditating with me that their twin flame reconnected with them in a loving way. Sometimes what happens is your energy drops, okay, and when your energy drops, you're not able to receive the insights. You feel lost, you feel triggered by your twin or whatever is coming up for you. In such situations, if you're working with me for 1, 2, or 3 months, then you have basically like energetic support, that connection that makes you feel a little bit buoyant, okay. So this is basically the principle behind working with a teacher, a guide who has reached this level. I have activated my light body, friends, and right now I'm very close to the full radiant stage, to the full crown chakra balancing stage, and it's actually a very beneficial experience to work with me. So friends, if you are interested in working with me on these meditation classes, you can contact me. The details are given below. We discuss certain important twin flame concepts. We answer one question that bothers you in one class, and rest of the time we meditate. We see what is coming up, what mirroring work you have to do, what ancestral healing you have to do. And if you work with me for more than a month, then we also proceed on to soul fragmentation healing. Okay, so I take you through a guided meditation where we allow the communication to be established with the higher self, so any soul traumas and soul fragmentation can be healed. So if you are interested, the details are given below as I have mentioned, and like, subscribe and comment on this video. Bye for now friends, and I hope you have a twin flame reunion, and those interested in ascension are having uh, activations and clearings and reaching their destination.